This is Brian back with a Singularity Agix token update. It's a nice green day in the market. It's a nice day to do videos. Haven't had a day like this for a while. So Agix is up 3.3% on the day as I'm making this video, and I want to show you something here real quick too. Look at these biggest gainers for the day. Conflux is up 52%. Synthetics is up 35%. That's some big numbers up here. The biggest losers, 4 of those are 4 out of the 6 are stable coins. So that's not any big deal there, but some big numbers out there for sure. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please get subscribed. I'm doing a giveaway at the end of every month, very last day of the month. This month I'm giving away 100 ADA tokens. That's Cardano tokens. Gonna do something different every month as far as the giveaway. Next month it might be 100 XRP. Not sure yet, but all you got to do to be entered is hit the subscribe button, and that's just a thank you from me for all the kind words and the great support you guys have given me. I very much appreciate that so much. But we're going to go over this crypto rally today. I want to show you a couple things that could be stirring this thing up. Number one is the DXY. That's the dollar index. I want to show you this thing because this thing has started a couple crypto rallies. This thing from the whole way back of May of 21, the whole way to October of 2022, that thing was in an upswing. It's falling ever since. Okay, this thing has just now went back and retested this as resistance. When we zoom in on here, there was the support line, came up, retested it, got rejected. Okay, and if we zoom out on this thing, the weekly support for this is the whole way down here, and we still have the RSI going down on this on the daily. If we click to the weekly, the RSI is coming over the top and heading down the other side, so it's going to come down more, it looks like. And it's not really good for anything. It might be starting to rally in crypto, which is fantastic, but anytime the dollar falls, food costs more, gas costs more. I got $50 worth of groceries a couple days ago, and it was 2 little bags that just don't stretch as far as it did. But this dollar is one thing that is definitely causing this market to pop. And I want to show you Bitcoin because it is just flying. And what I want to do is I want to zoom in here and show you this thing. Excuse me. Because if you put a Fibonacci on this, on the Bitcoin chart, on the daily, it's, whoops, sorry about that. Let me lock that in place. Let me get that there, lock it. There we go. Bitcoin is up through the 786, and it to me, I put this price on there last night. I don't think it's stopping. We need, if we can set a higher high, we need to get above what is it, 25,350. If we get above that and set a higher high, that would be fantastic for this rally. We're getting a little bit of volume coming in, and the RSI is just on its way up. So things are looking good as far as Bitcoin goes. It fell through this support, and it just blasted right back up through it. Looks like it's going to turn into support again. Need to get that higher high, and then we can relax for a while with Bitcoin. It can cool off a bit, but I would love to see that first. But getting back to Singularity here, same thing really. We fell through support, which we've had this support for a long time. This is AGIX on the daily. We've rode up this support trend, fell through it with all that bad news Friday, and now we've come back up and reclaimed that as support. We went on a 4-hour on this thing. You can see that we are right back up above that. This was support, turned into resistance, and now we flipped it back as support. So I want to show you a couple areas I think this coin could be heading to next. Let me get this off here. And this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research on everything. But what we had here for Singularity was an A, a B, and a C. This was an ABC correction. Okay, now as far as a retrace goes, I'm going to put a Fibonacci on this thing, and as long as this rally continues, I can see Singularity coming up 618, 702 area. If we get through that 786, that's where we want to get through. But short term, I could definitely see it retracing, you know, up to this 45.3 up to 49.7 area, you know, before making its mind up what it's going to do from there. We need some more volume coming in. That daily RSI looks fantastic the whole way at the bottom still, so that's great for this token. Need to get a higher high than here, so let's see what happens overnight. Not much else you can really say about the thing. We're still looking good. We got back into in our trend line here, so that's what we wanted to see. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a fantastic night, everybody.